Hey everyone, it's been a while since my last video, but of course with Christmas coming up I started making all kinds of projects again that I wanted to share with you, and I just couldn't stay away. What they say, that life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. That's pretty much what happened, I suppose. When I was starting to get ready to make this video, I discovered that my normal lapel mic stopped working. And now I'm forced to use this old dinosaur of a mic. I mean, it does the job, so let's just hope that it does the job. So when Christmas started to creep up on us again, I started looking for projects and ideas online, and turns out that there's actually a treasure trove of all kinds of projects and ideas that people give away for free. And so I wanted to share some of those that I made with you, and inspire you to maybe make them too. Now, these are actually really easy to make. All you need is these foam cones that you can find either in craft shops, or you can find them online everywhere. Then I used these several different special yarns for Christmas, a little bit glittery. And all you really do is you just wind the yarn around the cone, and you fasten it with a bit of glue and maybe some pins. And there you have it. And another idea I had was to use these cookie cutters, as we're all familiar with, for Christmas cookies, and use them as templates for labels on gifts like these. You just draw them on any Christmas fabric that you have, probably have some scraps left. You just fill it with hobby fill stuff, or what's it called? You stuff them, sew them closed, and then I use paint markers to write the names on them, and you have very original labels for your gifts. One of the things I found online was a pattern for this Christmas cushion cover. As you can see, it just uses scraps. It's got this big tree in it. I think it's really cute. It didn't take much time at all to make. It was about an hour tops. I'll give you the link to the pattern in the video description. I also came across all these really cute patterns for gingerbread men as dolls, and I thought they were really cute. But I thought, why not take those patterns, and just supersize them? And I did. So I made this giant gingerbread man. I love him. I think he's so cute. Again, not very hard to make at all. It takes an afternoon, perhaps. Yeah, and he looks so cute on the couch. I love him. And this is my favorite project that I made this year. I love this wreath. I always make a wreath every year, make a new one. I found this pattern online. Again, link in the video description. All it really is a collection of little pillows that you make. It's super easy. It's basically rectangles that you sew closed, and you stuff them, and you put them on your wreath. I'll show you from the back. It's actually this frame that you can pretty much get in any craft shop or online. It's a frame specially made to make wreaths. You just attach them with little ribbons, just like I did. And it's so effective. I think it looks really great. It's not hard to make at all. I hope you enjoyed this collection of Christmas projects to make this year. All the links to the projects are in the video description. Who wants to walk? If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Have a good Christmas.